Next is multiplication rule. So multiplication rule is plus into plus is equals to always plus only, minus into minus equals to plus sign, plus into minus will be minus, and minus into plus will be minus. So these are the four multiplication rule. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus, but plus into minus and minus into plus is always what here? Minus only. Example, so 2 into 3, see here also positive sign is there, here also positive sign. First multiply the sign, plus into plus will be plus, then multiply the values, 3 into 2 will be 6. Second example, minus 3 into minus 4. So in multiplication, while doing the multiplication, first multiply the sign, then multiply the values. So here first do the sign multiplication, minus into minus. See here you can see minus into minus will be what here? Plus. Therefore minus into minus will be plus. Next multiply the numbers, 3 into 4 will be 12. Similarly third example, so here minus 2 into 4. So here minus sign, here nothing means plus sign will be there. So you know minus into plus will be what? Minus. So minus into plus will be minus. Then multiply the values, numbers, 4 into 2 will be 8. And fourth example, 3 into minus 3. First number is positive, second number is negative. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So plus into minus is minus. So 3 into 3 will be how much here? 9. So these are the examples of what here? Multiplication rule. So here one trick is there. Trick is, if even times, even number means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. All these are called what? Even numbers. If even times, that is even number, negative sign comes, then answer will be what here? Positive. And if odd times, odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. If odd times negative sign comes, then answer will be what here? Negative sign. For example, see first one, if even times negative sign comes, see suppose even times, suppose if I take minus 2 into minus 2, see 2 times negative sign is there, means even times. So if even times sign comes, no, then minus will be minus into minus goes to what here? Plus. 2 into 2 will be what here? 4. For example, next one, minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 1. See again here minus sign, minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the even number. So if even times negative sign comes, answer will be always, answer sign will be always positive only. Next multiply the values. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 4 will be 8. 8 into 1 will be 8. So answer will be 8. Therefore, if even times a negative sign comes, then answer will be what? Positive. Therefore, your answer will be what? Always positive. Next one, if odd times a negative sign comes, answer will be what here? Negative. For example, if I write minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 3, odd times. See 1, 2, 3 times negative sign is there. 3 means odd number. So here odd numbers means finally you will get what here? Negative number. So here you have to mention negative number. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is how much here? 6. Because why here negative? You know minus into minus goes to what here? Plus. Again plus into minus will be what here? Minus. So because of this reason, answer will be minus 6. Therefore, if odd times negative sign comes, then answer will be always which sign? Negative sign only. One more example, minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means odd number. So directly you have to mention negative only. See minus into minus plus. plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So if odd times negative sign comes, answer will be what here? Negative only. Then multiply the values. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 1 is 8, 8 into 1 is again 8. So answer will be minus 8. Therefore, these are the multiplication rule. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is what? Minus.